Hey, people. Kiara here. I did your affiliate. How y'all doing today? I'm doing great. Anyway, what we're doing today is continue on our Clickbank series here. Using I did your affiliate. Using my lead gen secrets to promote it. Alright, so anyway, we've come looking. Haven't gotten a sale today, which is absolutely fine. Don't worry about that. Sometimes you just have days you don't get sales. And you can't worry about stuff like that. You gotta just keep it moving. Okay, so let's click on that, get back in here. Alright, let's go to marketplace. And we're gonna promote the same product we've been promoting lately. Right here, get paid to you, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. So anyway, we're gonna click on the affiliate page here. Email swipes, what's the fourth one? Order per tweet for, okay. Order per tweet, that's the one we're doing this time. All right, so we're gonna log in. I'm gonna go to the mailing system, do all the things. Now, I've sent this email out before. Not too long ago, I think. It's been a while, but not that long ago. Just give me a second here to find it. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do something a little fun today. Instead of using one of them, we're gonna do something. We're gonna make our own email today to see how it go. Let's do that. That's fun. All right. So what we're gonna do for a title? Take. See. Social media. Soup. Oops. First name right here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's in. Alright, so here. We'll see how we do. If you could get paid posting on face. Yeah, bear with me, I'm a slow typer. Posting. reason why we shorten it like this, right? See how we're cutting it off at a certain point? It might be too far to a pit. Like, let's say something like, and qualify. Very. We're gonna put another space right here. Basically that, right? Positions that are limited. You gotta put a sense of urgency in them, put a sense of urgency. Gotta make it so it's scarce. That's a good way to try to to get people, oh man, I better go and do this then. You know what I mean? Very. Find your dream job for home. Right, so there you go, guys. Oh man, yeah, I think that'll work. Shit. Click here to apply. Let's pick something like that. All right, there we go. Click here to apply. Yeah, a little short, just a little thing just came up off the spot. We'll see how it does. Let's see how it does. All right, so we're gonna get our link. Email, yes. That right? Break the hot link, boom. Place it in here. So as you can see there, it's very easy to come up with an email on your own. If you don't have any, you can copy paste. Honestly, all I really did was just say, hey, take this quiz and see what you can do. See if you can get your job, dream job. You ain't gotta be super long and complicated. Just something in a couple of sentences, you're good. You ain't gotta make nothing crazy. All right, guys, that's simple. Now we'll make sure the link works. And the link works. All right. And we're gonna send an email. Boom. There we go. Make sure to hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is basically just sends the email around the time that people check their emails. So it's a very good chance of them checking it. So anyway, let's go and keep it moving here. We're gonna log out of no. We're gonna make a new tag. These things. My brain farting right now. And we're gonna log out here. And we just basically gonna copy paste. At this point, it's a copy paste test, right? Basically copy paste this one. Control A, Control C, Control V is that simple. And we change this, make sure we can tell if we get a cell here, and then we send it. That's simple. Very easy to do. All right, so we just do the same thing. Got here, log in. Let's go to our third account here, and you do this for every account you have. You might have more accounts than me. I only got 3, but you know, say if you have 7, yeah. The more accounts you have, the more money you'll make, and the more profits you'll have in general. More accounts you have. So if you have a ton of money, say you want to drop, you want to make 10 accounts, go on, do it. You'll make your money back. You'll make your money back. And more. More accounts you have, the better chance you making your money back. Especially, I've seen people make their money back in the first month, but it doesn't happen that often. Usually it takes the second month for them to start making their money back. Oh, I ain't picked the right tag here. Make sure I do that. And you send the email, and we pretty much done. And so that's how you get sales on Clickbank. Probably the simplest way to do it. You know what I mean? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell to be reminded of anything. And I'll see you guys, you know what I mean, next time. Peace.